guys. The country I'm in right now is finally open to tourists. Yeah, tourists can finally visit here, here, and here. A while ago, this country was closed to the world. It was very difficult to get a visa, very difficult to fly here, and very difficult to get around. But 3 years ago, they opened their country to the world. And today, I want to show you what's hiding inside. Trust me, it will shock you. Welcome to Uzbekistan. It is a Muslim country in Central Asia that is on the ancient Silk Road, where 30 million people live. The first thing you will see hiding here is tolerance. Here, Jews pray alongside Muslims in peace. They are accepted and loved.
I'm Jewish. I born in Uzbekistan. Muslim and Jewish, we are all brother and sister.
Right next to mosques, we saw Jewish synagogues and cemeteries, and the director of the Jewish cemetery himself is Muslim.
My name is Jahangir. I am a director of Jewish cemetery. I am a Muslim.
But this country is not just tolerant, it's also really, really beautiful. And this is why. This country has some of the most beautiful mosques in the world. In Samarkand and Bukhara, we saw architecture that is so detailed, so blue, so grand. It's hard to believe someone built this 600 years ago.
Samarkand is an ancient city that was once on the Silk Road, and it's beautiful and full of architectural wonders, aka Instagram worthy and history buff worthy location.
Their food is also big. They build the biggest frying pans in Asia. So they don't cook a meal or two, they cook a ton or two of food at a time to make their own version of street food. But here, they just call it
I love flow.
Uzbekistan is just opening up. In the last 3 years, only 30,000 Americans and 10,000 Emiratis saw this place. That's why people want tourists here.
Everyone is welcome.
In fact, only 3 years ago, they built an international university for tourism, ready to welcome you. When we were hosted at the meetup, when we went to the yurts in the middle of nowhere, and when we walked into a local wedding, they welcomed us with open arms. Even though we later realized this was a circumcision party, not a wedding.
What was that?
There are many challenges facing this new country of Uzbekistan. It needs better roads, better internet. We just lost internet again. And better infrastructure. But there is a lot we can see in Uzbekistan. We can see that tolerance, beauty, culture, and identity can exist together in peace.